Donald J. Trump is calling for a total and complete shutdown of Muslims entering the United States until our country's representatives can figure out what the hell is going on.
Oh man, not again. He's on CNN. I learned the game from Dahir Aubrey, you could never check me. Back to back like me and Burambur, they can't outjump me. Back to back like Beris and Basta in our houses. Back to back like a Somali man and his spouses. I said it, now face it all. Donald, I heard you have a problem with my religion. When I look back, I'ma be glad I gave this attention. It's been weighing heavy on my conscience. Your political agenda straight nonsense. They're gonna say Hawa Haaji's a straight insane. Hawa Haaji, go back to where you came. But yeah, Donald, don't make me buy double for John McCain. This is level 6 ESL, it ain't no game. Your political agenda is really whack. You tried to tell Muslims to wear a badge. I'm not really sure what we did to make you mad, but no, you can't act like Hitler and try to take that back.
I mean, whoa.
Calm down, don't make me tell you again. This what pushed Hawa Haaji to put the paper to the bend. Yo, Donald. Hey, Donald.
Hey, Donald.
What before I leave, is that your real hair or your girl's weave? Which African lady did you go see? And because you're a politician, did she do it for free?
I said, oh, Muslim women rapping, it's kinda crazy. You getting bodied by a Somali lady. I went to Parliament and voted Justin Trudeau. I wonder which American voted for you though.
My flow will have you lost in the pseudo. Shout out to all the Somali ladies in the Ayuto. I said in the Ayuto. I got five daily prayers, they go back to back. From sunrise to sunset, they go back to back. Islam most beast, so just deal with that. I got 5 daily prayers, they go back to back. Back to back to back. I said back to back. There is no time for terrorist attack. I have 5 daily prayers, they go back to back.
Islam promotes beast, so just deal with that. Deal with that. Islam promotes beast, so just deal with that. Deal with that.
Oh man.
Islam promotes beast,